Last year Samsung released a smartphone named Samsung Galaxy Note 7. It is one of the best phones of last year's. But the Note 7 had a large issue on its battery. This why the Note 7 was recalled. Their battery manufacturing issues which caused the Note 7 to go up in flames. Now the Galaxy Note 7 is back with Samsung Galaxy Note Fan Edition. The Samsung Galaxy Note Fan Edition is remanufactured and recycled dangerous components. Now it has moved 3500 mAh to 3200 mAh battery. So it's not explode anymore. It looks pretty much Galaxy Note 7. But there is no more Samsung branding on the front, now we have the new branding on the back. It's side with curved edges like Note 7. The home buttons with fingerprint sensor is located at the front. It has a 5.7 inches, 2K resolution display. The phone covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone built with glass and metal. Note Fan Edition is now more secure. It has a fingerprint sensors, and also iris scanner. It's run with octa-core Exynos 8890 processor. That's pretty cool. And the 4 GB of RAM make the device run faster. The camera are also pretty much same as Note 7. The Note Fan Edition has a 12 megapixel, f1.7 aperture main camera. And the front camera is 5 megapixel, and it's also f1.7 aperture. It got fast wireless charging, expandable storage, IP68 water and dust resistance, and of course the S Pen. It's now only available in Korea. There, it's about $610. The Galaxy Note Fan Edition was an excellent phone in my opinion. So what do you think about the Galaxy Note Fan Edition? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.